If your Ultramobile SIM is locked, it's likely due to entering the wrong PIN too many times. This is a security feature to protect your data. When locked, your phone can't make calls, send texts, or use data. To unlock it, you'll need a PUK, personal unblocking key code, an 8-digit code unique to your SIM. Entering the wrong PK 10 times will permanently disable the SIM, so it's important to proceed carefully. The easiest way to unlock your Ultramobile SIM is through the app or website. Recent updates require biometric verification for security. Once you have the PUK code, insert your SIM card into a phone. When the phone prompts you, enter the 8-digit PUK code, then set a new PIN for your SIM. If you cannot access the app or website, contact Ultramobile support directly for assistance. Remember, unlocking your SIM is different from unlocking your phone to use other networks. Phone unlocks follow Ultramobile's policies and usually require at least 40 days of service.